Understanding Pacifist Protest. A gentle approach to activism. Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the compelling world of pacifist protest. This method of activism is unique in its nonviolent approach to achieving social or political change. We'll explore what it means, how it's practiced, and why it's a powerful tool in the activist's repertoire. So, let's get started and unravel the peaceful yet potent force behind pacifist protest. A pacifist protest is a method of nonviolent resistance where individuals and groups express their opposition to a particular idea, policy, or government action. Unlike other forms of protest, it strictly avoids violence, instead relying on peaceful tactics like marches, sit-ins, or civil disobedience. The goal is to bring about change not through force, but through the power of persuasion, moral pressure, and public awareness. Throughout history, pacifist protests have played pivotal roles in societal transformations. One of the most notable figures is Mahatma Gandhi, whose nonviolent resistance led India to independence from British rule. The American Civil Rights Movement, led by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., is another prime example where peaceful protests effectively combated racial segregation and discrimination. Pacifist protests are powerful because they highlight the moral high ground of the protesters, drawing public attention and sympathy. This form of protest can lead to substantial change, influencing public opinion, and swaying the actions of policymakers. It's a testament to the idea that strength doesn't always come from physical force but can be found in the resilience of the human spirit and the collective desire for justice and peace. Participating in a pacifist protest requires understanding its principles and methods. It's about maintaining peace and respect, even in the face of opposition. Whether you're holding a sign at a march, participating in a sit-in, or educating others about the cause, it's crucial to stay committed to nonviolence, ensuring that the message of the protest is clear and impactful. We hope this exploration of pacifist protest has been enlightening. This approach to activism shows that change can be achieved not with might, but with the collective, peaceful persistence of individuals striving for a better world. Until our next video, keep advocating for positive change, and remember, every peaceful step counts towards making a significant impact. Thank you for watching.